Well, that's it for me. Cher's still here at Orbit 1. She's going to go over to Animal Kingdom later and hang out while I'm at Microsoft Ignite, but that's where I'm off to. This has been a great resort. A fantastic condo or villa, whatever you want to call it. Tons of space, super comfortable, very quiet, everything you could need. It's been awesome. I'm going to miss it. On our way to a new hotel, we're checking in to the Hard Rock. Again, this is my second time staying here, and Charmaine's first time. Does this look familiar? I think it looks like the hotel from the cover of Hotel California. What do you think? How about a little room tour? This is a standard garden view room. Here's a nice big closet. You got a ironing board, you got your luggage rack in room safe. And we've got a little mini fridge. We have a Keurig coffee maker. We actually brought extra pods. Here is an ice bucket, a couple glasses. You got some Fuji water for only $7.50. It's actually more expensive than Disney. We've got an open area for the vanity. Very nice. Here's a nice lighted backlit mirror, I guess you could say. This is pretty cool. These drumsticks. It's awesome. You've got a makeup mirror. Doesn't light up, but it's one of those magnifying kind. And here is the bathroom. It's a nice sized bathroom. It also has a sink and a little rack here for a towel or face cloth, and your basic tub. These products are very nice because I was here last year, so I remember them. The layout is a little bit different. Last year it was one large room with a single door, so this area was more like a straight room. So this is kind of a bit of a kind of bendy. Large television, lots of storage, a couple of chairs, some USB ports here. Got your room service, all the things. I just became a priority member, so they gave me a pin, and now I get to get points or something. So got a little sitting area here. And the room I had last time I think was a little bit bigger, even though it was still a standard size room, or a standard room as they say. Here's the view, garden view. It's nice, palm trees. Always make me happy. And 2 queen-size beds. One actually has a queen in it.
Oh, hello there. I didn't see that.
And they all have these mirrors, which are kind of neat.
They're very short for bedroom.
Yeah, when you take a look at how tall, like Snoop Dogg is,
I'm shrinking.
he's really tall. This is the room you get at the Hard Rock Hotel. We are choosing to self-park, and when you self-park, you just use your room key, which is also your express pass and your charging card for the whole time you're here at any of the Universal resorts. When you park, you are on this side of the building. Theme parks are right over there. You can see a Dr. Doom Fearfall right over there. So we're very, very, very close to the parks. Now you do have to go up a set of stairs. So if you need to have some assistance, you'll need to get dropped off at the front. Last year I didn't know that, and I was trying to be efficient, and I had to haul my suitcases up all these stairs. I mean, it's doable. Just wasn't like fun. But we were smart this year. We checked in at the front and they watched our car while we did all of our things that we needed to do. Love the music that's playing all the time. It is a Hard Rock after all. Well, this is a restaurant I'd like to check out. I've never been here. I like how they've got a clock sort of projected onto the floor. Of course, the Hard Rock logo. Check-in is gorgeous with the Jim Morrison, John Lennon, and for all the Swifties, there's Taylor. We even got a Bruno Mars and the King. The music video is playing 24/7. So now it's time to unpack and figure out what we're going to do with the rest of our evening. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time from the Holy Moly.